everybody, my name is Ashlie, Ashlie, and please don't forget to subscribe to me. Today I have a guest.
Hello!
I have my mom. We're going to do our makeup together today. Our main focus today, we have a lot of Believe Beauty, e.l.f. Beauty, anything $5 and under. The first item we're going to use from Believe Beauty is the face primer. They're Pretty and Primed Hydrating Primer.
I find most of the stuff at the Dollar General. There's a pretty purple color.
It's like
blue
a
or purple?
sky blue and like a little bit of purple undertone.
Really no smell to it.
No.
But it doesn't have a bad smell either, so that's good, right?
Feels pretty cooling. I guess that's
Yeah.
the hydrating part of it.
Yeah. Wonder why it's blue. What does it say? Just says hydrating primer, right?
Yeah. A replenishing face primer that hydrates, smooths, and preps skin for flawless makeup. Will leave your skin with a dewy, healthy looking finish. It's definitely dewy. It's definitely dewy.
It is dewy.
I feel like I have your hair on my mouth. Alright, now that we got that over with, what would you like to do next? A foundation. So we're going to use the Believe foundation in Buff. I love this packaging. It's all glass. Beautiful.
The reason why it looks like that is because we took the sticker off.
Throw it on the back of my
I'm going to use a sponge. Are you using a sponge too?
thick. Yes. Medium to full coverage.
This was what, $5?
Yes, $5.
This one's $5. We're going to see how it is for young versus old. Right?
Yeah. Definitely don't have to use too much. Covers pretty fast.
Yeah, definitely medium coverage, right?
Yeah.
Right off the bat, I could see it's at least medium coverage. It's not heavy on the skin either.
I'm sure with 2 layers you could probably build it up. But
Yeah, which I might try. We'll see. But look, I think it's looking nice on the skin.
it does look nice. It's very healthy and dewy looking.
Yeah,
Looks so good to know it.
I think it's looking good.
I'm going to try one more layer to see if it can build up easily.
It's a nice color match for both of us.
Yeah.
We wear generally the same. She's more olive undertone, and I can go almost any way because I'm more, natural, nude, cool tone. I could do any of those.
I feel like we could get away with either.
Yeah.
It's definitely buildable. It has a lot more
I think so.
coverage. Got a lot more redness.
Yeah.
And I have to say, for the Dollar General, it's really good makeup. Super affordable.
So if you have access to a Dollar General, I think it's their own brand, right? Dollar General's own brand.
It's their own brand. They don't have like a Believe Beauty website. You'd have to
Right.
purchase it on Dollar General.
Yeah. This is actually really pretty.
I always forget how amazing this stuff is.
Yeah, I've used this before, remember?
Yeah.
But it's still good.
Yes, it is. Very, very dry skin, and it makes it look so moist.
It's so inexpensive.
The next product we're going to use is the Your Covered Liquid Concealer from Believe Beauty.
What shade did we get? Does it say?
Biscuit.
It's biscuit. Conceal that face.
Well, I like to be extra.
My turn.
More of like a light coverage.
Yeah. I've never used this product before. Have you?
I don't think I have.
First time for everything, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna do one more layer under the eyes because I still have that dark. A bit more, please. I always thought it was the funny.
Oops.
Oops.
I'm going to put a little powder under my eyes. That's the Believe Beauty powder. It says Believe Beauty Matte Blur Loose Powder and Translucent. Has 0.14 ounces. How much was this one?
$5. I usually just put the powder in my T-zone through the middle and under my eyes. Okay, for a bronzer, we have the Believe Beauty Your Covered Liquid Concealer in a darker shade to do a cream contour today. Okay.
Sounds good to me.
I don't know how pigmented, so we're just going to start with a little bit.
Yeah.
You start with my cheeks. You start.
You afraid? Are you afraid, girl?
Well, a little bit.
Why?
Ooh, it's not too bad when you start.
Oh, there you go. Now it's not so bad. I get it.
Kind of like a dense brush from Sigma. It's the round kabuki. But we're not going to talk the price of the brush. It looks really good. It actually blends out really, really easily.
Look, that good?
Sucks.
Hope it don't dry fast. Look.
Look like you have henna.
Yeah, I think it blends really good. What do you think?
I like it a lot. It's very easy to blend.
It's a good option for bronzer if you don't have one.
Here I go.
I think it's blending out nicely. It's a good formula, like a juicy formula, you know. So it's not a very drying formula. So I think that's why.
Like very hydrated.
Yeah, because look, I think it's coming out pretty good.
I think it looks flawless. Absolutely flawless. For the blush, I have a cream Believe Beauty blush in the shade Doll Face. It's supposed to be a blendable, lightweight formula for a perfect, buildable pop of color. Gotta go get it.
Use your foot because it's all over there. Yeah. I think it was still shut. I thought it was $4.50. It could be. I don't remember.
It's like a mauvey pink.
Yes, baby. It's just pretty, right?
It is really pretty.
It's a very pretty color.
Building it up as we speak.
Oh.
Now you can have it.
And it's so soft. Look at that.
It's nice and dewy looking as well.
Sure
Everything's
is.
like very hydrating.
It's really pretty.
So annoying.
One of my favorite blushes. They had one that was like a tangerine color, right?
Yeah, it was more like a coral.
They were running low on products, so we got what we could. But these colors, so pretty. It has a little bit of iridescence to it, doesn't it? The way it shines.
It's just beautiful.
It's gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Gorga. This next product's a little bit over $5 by 39 cents.
That's a lot.
I know.
We said under 5 for the whole video.
I cheat. It is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Gold Bar.
Okay, you go first.
Your child.
Takes one to know one.
Go baby.
Good baby, you're a good baby. Why are you so pretty? You have my jeans? Never gonna give you up. Never gonna. Never gonna. Okay.
I'm gonna go in with concealer on my eyeball.
This is pretty. It's a very subtle. I mean, you can make it glow to the gods, but look how pretty that is. Look at my cheek. See it?
It is beautiful. Gotta go.
It is.
For eyeshadow today from Believe Beauty, I have their Love Struck palette. Gorga colors right here. I'm gonna start off with this beautiful pinky red color.
How's it going on? Is it good?
It's blending very nicely.
Like a dream, or you gotta build?
It's just blending so good.
A lot of people powder. They shouldn't.
Yeah, because it helps this stick a little better
Yeah,
without it.
it's much better if you don't.
I'm gonna go in with my lid with this one.
Cool.
Pretty.
This one. I'm gonna go in with this color for the movable lid. So
Definitely gotta build these up. They're a little bit splotchy.
so far, the foundation and concealers to me are really pretty.
Even the bronzer concealer.
Yeah.
Just using this color right here for the top under my brow. Going with my highlighter for the inner corner.
Yeah.
Go in again with that first shade for the bottom.
Use this one. What colors are here?
For mascara, Got the Essence Lash Princess. It gives the false lash effect. It's $4.99. Call it Red Frickin' Handed.
Damn, did you leave any for me?
Here's the mascara. You're gonna have it. While you're doing that, I have the Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner. And then got this from the dollar store. It is in the shade Breeze. Beautiful. So good for the dollar store.
My turn.
To set my face, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild In Love with Cocoa setting spray. Smells like Hershey's.
We got a spray, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Smell like chocolate. Right?
Well, here's today's look. Hope you all enjoyed today's video.
You mean you were recording us the whole time?
I can't wait to see you on my next video. Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.